Hey, hello everyone. This is the last video, the series of how the condition base XKOMV-KAWRT will be determined in case of calculation type ABHI. Okay, now let's understand this how it works in case of an example. You see here there are two base price here in that pricing procedure, ZPR1, ZPR2, and the step number 20 we have a gross that is in subtotal, the 25 20, 30 as a material discount, and for 30 we have maintained the steps from 1 to, and in 35-40 we have a customer discount ZKU3 ZKU4 namely, and for 40 step number we have maintained the from 2 as 15 and 30. In 45 we have subtotal that is net. In 50 we have tax condition type MWST, which has alternative calculation base as 16. Okay, so now you see in the example, ZPR1, ZPR2 has been inactive. So these both are inactive, but ZPR2 again it is active. The step number for ZPR2 is 15. Let's scroll down a bit, and the grass is, see, for the grass there is no from 2 has been maintained. As we discussed in the first step, whenever there is no reference has been maintained, then ZWISU will be updated. ZWISU will hold the value of all the condition types for which inactive reason is not set as A, K, L, M, X, Z, and for the base price it should not be Y. That means it will determine only this value to here as it is. Next, ZMA1 is again inactive. Coming to ZMA2, for ZMA2 we have maintained the step numbers as 10 to 15. In this case, in the second scenario where from to both has been maintained. So in this case what will happen is that it will consider all the inactive condition base conditions even though it is Y. That means it will add 120, 108, 120, 108 and 112. That will be updated here as 340. Same I have explained here as well. For ZMA2, yeah, it will add everything as 340, and for ZKU3 there is no steps are maintained, so it will determine the ZWISC value, that is 112 minus the discount as 6.80. Now coming to ZKU4, we have maintained the step reference from 15 to 30. That means it will determine everything where the condition type inactive reason is not equal to AKLMX, and it will determine base price with Y or without Y. It will consider everything, and it will include subtotal as well here. So 108, 112, 112 minus 6.80, and if I go here, yeah, it's a 15 to 30, right? So this is the 15, so 112, 112 and 6.80 and 3.6. Yeah, so 3.16, right? So we are now doing it for ZK U3. Okay, 3 point, okay, till that 35 means 3.16. So yeah, 108, 112 minus 6.80, that is for 15 to 30, that means till ZMA2. And for tax condition as well, it will determine everything as per the routine number 16.